YouTube, I just got this touring item Type S driver 360-degree dash cam, record inside and outside the vehicle in full HD 360 VR. That is the art number right there. And the screen, I'm not sure if that's a 2-inch. And then you could also have an app control. Compatible with the Android and then iOS devices. And it's a 2.4-inch IPS, 1080p Full HD, 2.4 gigahertz. Operating temperature 14 degree Fahrenheit to 140 degree. Secret light charger DC 12 volt, DC 5 volt USB Type A. It's a 5 megapixel sensor, 210 degree field of view. And this is what it look including the package. So you get the 7 viewing mode: normal 360, normal 180, fish eye, 360 VR, 2-in-1, and then 3-in-1, and also 4-in-1. So you got the front, left side, right side, and then rear. The seamless, it has a seamless loop recording, night vision recording, G sensor, incident recording, GPS location data, and time-lapse park and record mode. And it is retail $159.99. And then there's another one, it's a wireless backup camera. Wow, it's a 6.8-inch HD monitor with an adjustable parking assistant. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.